Are you tired of the hustle and grind? Well, what if I told you that in 2025, there's a way to make money online without burning out or constantly working long hours? Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick around, because in the next 30 minutes, I'm going to share the laziest ways to earn money online, and the best part, it's perfect for complete beginners like you. In this video, we'll explore strategies and platforms that require minimal effort, so you can earn money while you sleep, watch TV, or just relax. Stay tuned for some surprising tips and hacks that are going to change the way you look at making money online forever. Let's talk about the holy grail of easy money-making passive income. Imagine getting paid without actively working all the time. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, let's dive into the best passive income ideas you can start right now, with very little work. First up, we have affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Here's how it works. You promote products from different companies using your unique affiliate link, and every time someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. You can start by sharing links on social media, in blogs, or even YouTube videos, and the best part, it's all automated. Affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank are great places to start. And the beauty is, you can set it up once and earn money while doing absolutely nothing. Another way to make money effortlessly in 2025 is by creating and selling digital products. This includes ebooks, online courses, printables, and even stock photos. These products only require you to create them once, and you can sell them over and over again. Let's say you have a passion or hobby, maybe it's photography, graphic design, or even fitness tips. You can create a simple digital product based on that. For instance, you could design a fitness planner, sell it on Etsy, and get paid every time someone buys it. No need to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable make it super easy to set up your store and start making money. Just create your product, upload it, and let the sales roll in. Now, let's talk about something that sounds a little more exciting: investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. While it's not completely without risk, investing is one of the laziest ways to make money in 2025. You don't need to be an expert to get started, and you can grow your money passively over time. Thanks to apps like Robinhood or Coinbase, investing has never been easier. You can start with just a few bucks, and once your account is set up, you can make money while you sleep. The key here is finding the right assets to invest in. Stocks, index funds, and even cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum can grow your money with minimal effort. Even better, with the rise of robo-advisors and automated trading, you can let AI handle your investments. Set it up once, and let technology do the work for you. Here's a fun one: monetizing your social media accounts. If you're already scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, why not turn the time into profit? You don't need to be a pro influencer to make money. By simply posting content about things you love or are passionate about, you can start making money. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube offer programs like the Creator Fund, where you can earn money from views. Instagram, on the other hand, offers affiliate links, paid partnerships, and more. Consistency is key here, but once your account starts growing, you can earn money without doing much extra. Just keep posting and engaging with your followers. If you've got 30 minutes a day, you've got enough time to start monetizing. Next up, let's talk about renting out assets. Do you have a car, extra space in your house, or even a camera that you're not using? Turn those into cash. Platforms like Turo allow you to rent out your car, while Airbnb lets you rent out a room or even your entire house. Have an extra camera? Rent it out on Fat Llama. Even renting out your unused parking space can make you money. With these passive opportunities, you can keep earning money without having to lift a finger every day. Let's bring things back to simplicity. If you've got a few minutes here and there, why not make some extra cash by filling out surveys or completing simple tasks? Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Toluna let you earn money by filling out surveys, watching videos, or even just browsing the web. It might not make you rich overnight, but it's an easy and lazy way to make a little extra cash. You don't have to do anything special, just use your free time to complete simple tasks. Over time, those little tasks can really add up. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips that will help you maximize your lazy online income. First, automate wherever you can. Set up automatic payments, emails, and posts so that your work is done for you while you're busy with other things. Second, focus on consistency. Even the laziest methods need some level of attention. And third, don't expect overnight results. Building a passive income takes time. But once it's set up, you can earn money without actively working. So there you have it, the laziest ways to make money online in 2025 for beginners. The best part, all of these methods are simple, low effort, and can be started today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to make money online in the easiest way possible. And hey, if you've tried any of these methods or have your own lazy income tips, drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you.